Brandon Merritt, and these are your daily announcements. For Wednesday, November 28th, Creative Writing Club meets in room 160 during lunch. Student Council meets in the library during lunch. 2 p.m. dismissal. Thursday, November 29th, Central Community College Rep at 12 o'clock in Commons. Sign up in Counseling Office to attend. Freshman girls and boys basketball at North Platte, 4:15, 5:45 p.m. And now, a word from our sponsors.
The new Anytime Fitness Gym, located at 204 Norris Avenue, downtown McCook, is a prime location if you're looking to improve your strength or health. They are open 24 hours a day, every day. Staffed hours for Monday through Thursday are 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., Friday 8 to 5, and Saturday 9 to 3. Memberships start at $46 a month and include all of their brand new equipment, including a water massage bed and tanning bed. They offer personal training, small group training, and specialized classes, all taught by certified and professional trainers. Stop in today and sign up for a membership.
I graduated high school. A week later, I graduated college with an associate's in business. Now, I'll be able to go to a four-year university entering as a junior. All thanks to the classes I took at Mid-Plains Community College. My coursework has almost entirely been online classes. I also took a couple of distance learning classes, which I really liked. It's very exciting to be able to look forward and see where this will take me. Now my opportunities are endless. I have significantly reduced my college debt. I save time, I save money. My ceiling is incredibly high. You can do this.
An MCC rep will be here November 29th to talk to any junior or senior who wants to take a college class second semester and has not signed up yet. Please sign up in the guidance office. FBLA will be collecting canned goods for our local food pantry this week. You can drop them off in your 5th period room. The class that collects the most canned goods will get donuts. 2017 to 2018 yearbooks are in. If you and your parents ordered one, stop by the journalism room to pick up yours today. Students, do not leave your Chromebooks in your car or anywhere else. They may be exposed to cold temperatures. Doing so is a violation of the user policy and will cause damage to the device. These were your daily announcements.